Hey guys, I thought I'd do a video on this helicopter. It's a year old now. I bought it and I've used it a lot. As you can see, it's got dust all over it because I get use it once or twice a week. Yeah, and I actually really like using this. And if I didn't use it, I don't know what I'd do, because I basically just doing RC cars. It's pretty boring, so I thought, I'll go and buy a helicopter, do a play with it, and turns out I like it a bit more better than an RC car, because that you have to control how high you want to go, and you can hover. In an RC car, you got to put your foot on the fall down for it to go. So yeah, you can see all the workings in it, and the blades. It's got, I think, one blade is for the top two is to keep it flat or not, and the bottom one is to keep it go up and down. So it's got basically, and then I don't think this one spins with those. So I think as it goes up, as those blow, it blows air to, as those go, blows air to this, which blows this up, which pulls it, and it goes like that. Hey guys, this is the one of the key features. It's got a camera that's got two lights on it. So when you're flying, hey guys, this is Jared Osborne. We're just doing a the plane. It was actually gonna get some air today. Hey guys, this is Jared Osborne. I thought I'd show you what it looks like. So I'll put we'll come up and show you. I'm just going to put a little bit of throttle. It's already left. If you can't see, but